Once you've made the wise move to include physical precious metals in your retirement plan, your next decision may be to choose whether you want to start fresh with a new self-directed IRA account or fund your account with a transfer or rollover. A direct transfer is when you directly move your retirement funds from one custodian to another. Transfers are not reported to the IRS and are not taxable, as the assets are not distributed to you, the taxpayer. You may want to consider a direct transfer if you're transferring money between retirement accounts of the same type, like one self-directed IRA to another self-directed IRA. You cannot deposit your funds within 60 days, as is required for a tax-free IRA rollover. You already rolled over an IRA within the last 12 months. You can make only one IRA rollover in any 12-month period. You might make more transfers within the next year. You're free to make as many transfers as you wish. You don't want your activity reported to the IRS. A rollover is the process of moving your retirement funds from your current plan, such as a 401k, into a new IRA. The funds are distributed directly to you. You are required to deposit the funds into your new IRA within 60 days, or they must be reported to the IRS as a taxable distribution. An IRA rollover might be the right choice if you want to move money between two different types of retirement accounts, like a 401k to an IRA. You want to control how and when your money moves. You only want to move a portion of your funds from one IRA to another. You have not executed a rollover in the last 12 months. If you want to keep your existing retirement accounts as is, or don't have a retirement account, you can always start fresh with a new IRA to begin incorporating precious metals into your retirement plan. Whether you're leaning towards a simple transfer, rolling over existing funds, or opening a new self-directed IRA account, U.S. Money Reserve can help you every step of the way. Call today and work with a highly trained IRA account executive to get started. Click the link in the description to request your free Precious Metals IRA Information Kit. It's full of everything you need to know about getting started on your self-directed Precious Metals IRA today.